welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you a very special recipe of how to make pumpkin soup, Indian style, or you can do it in the Western style as well. What I have added to the pot already is onion, garlic, carrots, and I have frozen pumpkin. Whenever pumpkin goes on sale during Halloween or during Thanksgiving, I buy a lot of pumpkin and I chop it up and I freeze it. That's what I'm using now. This is around 2 pounds of pumpkin. So I've already added oil, 5 cloves of garlic, 2 onions, 3 branches of celery, that is optional, and 3 carrots. And now I began adding pumpkin. Then I realized, hey, I can share this recipe with you all. Just stay on and watch this video. Now I've added the pumpkin in. I'll be adding 2 bay leaves to it just for extra flavor, and all that I will do is add water. It is very simple recipe. You don't need any fancy ingredients. Most of it you will get at home, and it is super cheap and affordable to make, and this will last you. You can stretch it for a long time. How my soup is looking now. I'll be adding salts. Add salt to taste. I add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt and a pinch of sugar, and then we'll continue. I've added a lot of water. I've added salt and sugar. Now I will be covering this up and cooking so everything comes to boil, and then I'll show you what I'll do. The soup is boiling really well. I added the bay leaves. I'll be removing these bay leaves, and next what I'll be doing is, to bring the thickness and creamy consistency, I'll be adding bread. You can add 1, 2 or 3 slices of bread depending on the quantity. I'm making a huge quantity, so I'll be adding 3 slices of bread, and then you can just use your immersion blender and blend it all. Now I'll be adding the bread pieces in. What I added now is I added 1 sachet of Maggi Magic Masala, and I added some chili powder to this, and also some black pepper. And everything is done. Now at the end I'll be adding some butter, and the soup will be all ready to go.